Dear friends, Jai Shri Krishna. I am Acharya Dr. Vishnu Kumar Mishra. Welcome to you this special episode of Cancer Horoscope for the year 2021. With the best wishes of the new year, today we will discuss about the annual horoscope of the year 2021. This horoscope is an estimated based on the planets of 2021, which you can see on the basis of your ascendant horoscope and lunar horoscope. Before discuss the horoscope, please subscribe to the channel and press bell icon. Because whenever you upload a new video, you can get instant notification. In the year 2021, people carrying the Cancer zodiac can get their ups and downs from the family point of view. The year is likely to be disappointing. There may be concern about the health of the mother. Will this year there may be something that can happen in the family? It may be contrary to your desire, but you may have to accept even if you do not want to. In such a situation, it is natural for the mind to be disturbed, and it will be better for you to keep pace with sensible circumstances. Due to the transit of Mars in the beginning of the year in the fourth house of the horoscope, difference in the family can lead to situations like quarrels. Due to the busyness of work, there can be possibility of distance from the home family due to the conflict. Younger sibling will give you more preference than your elder sibling, as well as understand your point if you take care of the career of the pupils of Cancer in the year 2021. In the beginning of the year, Mars can give you a lot of success. Although in the year 2021, you can get mixed result about the career. Saturn transit will be in the seventh house of your horoscope. The promotion condition will be created in the job, but the time between April and September can be difficult. At this time, you will not get the support of luck. So every task will be done carefully and wisely. In when from the senior officers, do not argue. January, February, March, April, beginning of the year, 4 months are going to be excellent in terms of career. This time will be favorable for business. It will be beneficial for you. Keep in mind that to get good success, hard work also has to be done. With regret to be education of the year 2021, the Jupiter will remain in his seventh house in Capricorn till 5th of April, due to which the pupil of Cancer will get mixed result. Although the 4 months of the year can be fine to some extent, luck will also be supported in writing where there is less heart. There can also be chance of spoiling due to bad association. So to achieve success, you have to work with full concentration from the point of view of higher education. January, February, March, September, the month of November will be favorable for the people of Cancer. At this time, whether you want to go abroad for higher education from the point of view of higher education, so your effort can be successful, but to get success from competitive exam point of view, you have to work harder than expected. According to the year 2021, if your children of Cancer zodiac sign can get mixed result, then there is a possibility of progress to some extent because of the presence of Ketu in the fifth house. The children can be stubborn due to bad association. There is also a possibility of spoiling. So, along with monitoring the children, proper guidance will also have to be given, as well as care for health. According to the year 2021, the beginning of the year can be wonderful for Cancerians. If the attraction of each other will increase, you will be able to task about your heart with your sweetheart. May, August, September, the month of September for you maybe you will spend more time with more loved ones. Picnic will enjoy a lot of fun-filled moments. Your sweetheart will also support you. Overall, the year 2021 will be good in terms of love life. In the year 2021, if the stars are going to increase their happiness in the life of marital life. Depending on the planets of this year, you may have to face some stress and difficulties. Through this year, your spouse mind worship spiritual will activities may take your time. The transit of Venus in the month of February will increase the happiness in the marriage life will the transit of Mars between 2 June and 20 July can create a quarrel in marital life. So keep calm on the wise. According to the year 2021, if the people of Cancer sign health, then Saturn is your horoscope, is the lord of the seventh house and earth house. With the Jupiter of the lower sign in the seventh house, this year will have to be fully monitored. If semi-minor health problem, a doctor should be consulted. People who are already suffering from diabetes, high blood pressure, liver, kidney, etc. will need special caution. Jai Shri Krishna with best wishes.